So, now that I have some spare time at home, I thought I'd make a new videos to my YouTube channel. It involves food. Normally when I go to restaurant or somewhere, I order these foods that have lots of meat. So I just love food, no matter if there are gourmet like these or just takeaway from grill. So these are just ordinary foods, but I try to make it better with some twist. Hopefully some of them are delicious and some not so much. So first we're gonna make a cabbage casserole and for dessert some waffles. Let's check the video.
Is this on? Hey, you! What you doing there? It's supposed to be a food video. Well, I take a nap while you clean.
Okay. Now we can start to make the food.
Okay, good.
This time we make a cabbage casserole. Haven't done this before, but we'll try. This is good looking cabbage. You just slice this. One deciliter of water, put hot. Now we steam these for 10 minutes under the lid. Then we need an onion, 300 grams of this. What to measure it with? Well, couple of these. This red onion goes anywhere, so it's good for this too. Let's put in some consommé cube for some taste. While we wait the cabbage, we can fry the ground meat and onions. We can butter up this oven tray while we wait. Like that. Then we add the onions here. This has been here for 10 minutes, so turn this off. Then we season this. This should have some marjoram, but I don't have, so salt, pepper and little bit of chili. And then we mix these together. That's it. No, wait. We also have to add the rice here. It should have been a porridge rice, but I only have this long grain rice. So we add 1 deciliter of this. So I made the dripping for the cabbage casserole like this. 6 deciliters of milk, then 2 deciliters of food cream. These are all without lactose. And dark syrup, 2 tablespoons. Then we fill this tray.
Tumma leipää ja kaurakata.
Then add the liquid at top. Now this to open. 1.5 hours and 175 degrees. If it starts to go dark on the top, add some foil over it.
Waffle.
2 eggs, 4 deciliters of milk, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, three deciliters of flour, 4 tablespoons of liquid butter, one teaspoon of salt, now we let it sit for 15 minutes.
great job with that. Hey, remember to subscribe, hit the bell icon and like the video. Leave a comment if you like. See ya!